Hello my alien students, welcome back. So today I got some good news for you, as usual. Okay, I'm making a course. Okay, a course for AutoCAD users. Okay, this course, it's actually one course which is, let's say, a two-in-one course, as I promised my students. And this course has been requested by many students. John, I am, let's say, zero in AutoCAD. Okay, first condition, I want to become an alien in AutoCAD. I said fine. Plus, I want to pass the ACP, the AutoCAD Certified Professional in drafting and design and drafting. So this course, yeah, I'll be teaching you from scratch, so you don't require any prior knowledge in AutoCAD. Okay, plus you'll be able to, pass the ACP. I call it the ACP. This is the old name. Okay, so yeah, this will be the course. We'll be starting from scratch. Person doesn't have any prior knowledge. Again, I'm repeating myself. You do not have any knowledge of AutoCAD. You'll be able to draw these kind of floor plans. Okay, yeah, you'll be able to draw them with ease, with the dimensions, etc. And plus, we'll be, doing this. 1 minute. Yeah, we'll be covering all these exam topics in this course, step by step, slowly. And yeah, that's the story of the course and, let's say, outline. Okay, so what I wish you all, if you would like to join the course, let me know. Okay, part 2 on moving forward, I'll be explaining a couple of tricks on YouTube. Okay, if you'd like me to do any one-to-one courses, let me know. Okay, take care and bye.